Motorola has finally launched the company's 4th generation of budget smartphones, Moto E4 and Moto E4 Plus in the Indian market. The handset on the right side is Moto E4, which is priced at Rs 8,999 and will be available across the retail stores in the country. The bigger one, Moto E4 Plus, is priced at Rs 9,999 and it will be an exclusive product on Flipkart and will be available by tonight. So in this video, we are going to show you the features and the other aspects, the design, the camera, the processor and the RAM of the new budget smartphones. I am Rohit Arora from Gizbot and these are the first impressions of Moto E4 and Moto E4 Plus. So let's get started. So guys, these are the latest Moto E handset that the company has launched in the Indian market. On the right side is the Moto E4, the smaller variant, which has been launched at a price point of Rs 8,999, and on the left side we have the bigger one, Moto E4 Plus, that has been priced at Rs 9,999. The highlight of the Moto E4 Plus is its 5000 mAh battery unit, and this handset also has a dedicated microSD card slot. However, the Moto E4 comes with a 2800 mAh battery unit and there is no dedicated microSD card slot. Talking about the design, both the handsets looks identical. These are the first metal build Moto E handsets and comes with the iconic Moto design that has the circular rear camera module and the Moto logo at the rear side. On the right side we have the volume rockers and the power button. At the bottom we have the micro USB charging port, a microphone, and on the Moto E4 Plus you get a speaker unit at the bottom, and the Moto E4 offers you a speaker unit at the rear side. And on the left side we have plain, with the left side is completely plain, and up top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Talking about the display, Moto E4 Plus offers you a bigger 5.5-inch display and the Moto E4 offers you a 5-inch display. Both the displays have a resolution of HD, so these are 720p panels, which can be a deal breaker for some users because you can now get full HD displays under Rs 10,000 and these handsets offer you an HD display. The HD resolution works quite fine with the 5-inch resolution, but it can be a problem with 5.5-inch screen size because then the pixelation becomes quite evident. However, as you can see, the colors looks quite punchy and the displays are quite bright because I am right now in outdoor condition and the displays looks quite bright and vivid. Talking about the processor and RAM, Moto E4 Plus offers you 1.3 GHz quad-core MediaTek processor and there is 3 GB of RAM. The handset runs on the latest 7.1 Nougat and it has 32 GB of internal memory that can be expanded by up to 128 GB with the help of microSD card slot. On the other side, this handset offers you the same 1.3 GHz quad-core MediaTek CPU, but it has 16 GB of internal storage that can be expanded by up to 128 GB. However, there is no dedicated microSD card slot. And on the other side, we also have 2 GB of RAM here, and the E4 Plus offers you 3 GB of RAM. So multitasking and storage will not be an issue on the E4 Plus, and especially the battery backup, because this handset offers you a massive 5000 mAh battery unit, which will be evaluated in our complete comprehensive review of this smartphone. The other things that I would like to mention here is that both the handsets are the first in this price point that offers you the latest 7.1 Nougat out of the box, and the handset also get the Moto display and Moto gestures, which are available in the pricey handsets from Motorola, that are Moto Z2 Play and the other handset. So here you can see the Moto actions and Moto display. These features come quite handy in everyday usage. Let me just give you a small demo of the camera of Moto E4 Plus, because this has a 13 megapixel rear camera which seems quite decent and it's capturing quite decent shots. So as you can see, there's a small shutter delay, but we are in the acceptable margins of camera drawbacks because these are just budget smartphones and will work like them only. However, the camera seems quite decent, and as you can see, the shot that I just have taken from this handset looks quite decent, and as you can see, the colors look punchy and the detailing is also good. So we will evaluate the complete performance of these handsets in the coming week. We will talk about the performance in detail in our comprehensive review of both the smartphones. So these were pretty much everything about the latest Moto E4 and Moto E4 Plus smartphone that has been launched today in the Indian market. If you are buying Moto E4 Plus from Flipkart, then you can get a variety of benefits like data benefits if you are available on Jio and Idea. And this handset will be exclusively available on retail stores across the country. You can subscribe our Gizbot YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology, and you can also check the text version of the first impressions of Moto E4 and Moto E4 Plus. This is Rohit Arora signing off from Gizbot. Have a good day.